Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is another Patreon exclusive giveaway winner announcement. So for those of you that aren't aware, on my Patreon, at the $2 level, if you're supporting at $2 per month or more, all patrons at that level get entered into a random drawing each month, and one winner is chosen and you get to win all this cool stuff. At least I think it's pretty cool. And of course, at $3 or more, you get the exclusive tutorials. All right. So just to quickly go over the prizes before we announce the winner. As usual, a fishhook keychain, Weavers of Eternity fishhook keychain. I did this one in a slightly different coloration this time. Instead of the usual licorice color, we did navy blue on this with the aged brass finish, and I think that looks really, really nice, actually. I didn't put the custom tag on here yet. I'm going to do that before I send it out. And then next, we'll do this. Of course, I have more Paraclaws to give away. So yeah, you're gonna be getting a Paraclaw buckle. It'll be new in the original package, so I'll put that in there. And a few of these random little dragon beads. The bore on these is a little small, but they're you could fit 2 strands of 550. One strand would fit easier, but you can definitely use them to finish off some lanyards. That would look pretty cool. And before it rolls away, I'm giving away also this really cool Monkey's Fist knuckle roller. All right, so that's a lot of fun to play with. So that's the prize for this month. The winner, I hope you enjoy it. And the winner is randomly selected. I've already got it set out here. Winner is Nathan Y. So Nathan, thank you so much for your support, man. I really appreciate it. You've actually been supporting me for quite a while now that I look at my patrons list. But yeah, you are the winner for this month. I will be reaching out to you via email to get your shipping details, and you should expect these shortly. Well, depending on where you live, but all right. So that is it, guys. If you want to support me on Patreon, if you're interested in getting in on the Patreon giveaway, all the details are linked down below to my Patreon and also annotated in this video. And again, huge thank you to all my Patreon patrons. You guys are making a huge difference supporting me every month, and it really shows. I hope the stuff I'm delivering is satisfactory or more than satisfactory for you, because you guys are giving me a lot of value, and I hope to return that to you as well. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.